Tourism Lawashibo and tour guide. There is a reptile house, but I'm not going inside.
Money, yeah.
Oh, I got it. Money, yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, we made it. Yeah, we made it.
Hi guys, so I'm sure you guys can know yet. We went to try. On my way to Ibadan, this month, I thought we were just taking a trip, just to get away from the old wedding plans. But apparently, he still has to do with wedding, family. We're going to see his grandma. So it's not bad. I just want to eat. I won't lie to you. So let's just say it's like a day in my life. I thought to bring you guys along. Hi guys, so we just got to Ibadan now. Monia, I guess, or Monia, I don't know which one.
It's not Monia, it's Monia.
Oh, I got it. Monia.
Yeah, that's it.
So because you know I will not hear what Mimido. I don't know where we're going next, but this guy.
Yeah, we're going around the world. From here to the world, from Ibadan to the world.
Why it's not Ibadan, it's Ibadan.
What's it?
Why are you doing Ibadan?
What's the amount?
I don't know the amount. Who cares? I don't care. I never knew how many circumcision. How did I pass? Now God help me.
So yeah.
Guys, Ibadan self is not cheap. Because what are the prices of cab from this train station to our destination? Kai. That's 5 minutes trip for how much? On my way to see grandma. Let's to eat because I'm very hungry. Then we're gonna start our adventures UI everywhere. Yeah. And then we'll call it a day and go back to Lagos. See you guys when we get to grandma's place. Hi guys, so we're finally here. Thank God, but I'm still very tired. So what's special about you, Gamer?
The animals, no, it's just that all of them are. They said the lion has died, have you?
Yes, so. Yeah.
His name was Arnold.
Yes, Arnold.
He should disturb us.
Follow this.
He should disturb us that year. In midnight, he heard the sound of the lion.
Hello. Guys, I was telling this man that.
No.
I was telling him that other people are taking other men are taking their babes, their wife, their fiancé outside the country, on trip outside the country. This guy is bringing me to Ibadan. See, why did this? This is supposed to be the lion's cage, but the lion is dead.
Yep.
What did you call it? It looks like there's an animal inside that place. But there's
There should
something
be
inside.
like a tiger.
What? How did they get those animals in this place?
At the time,
Yes.
there's a chimpanzee there. Well,
Oh, a chimpanzee. I don't understand. Turn to where? I think like that. Wow. They even have reptiles. Let's see the reptiles before. Tourism now, Ashiba, and tour guide. And tour guide, I don't know. So let's respect ourselves and just pass the walkway. See another monkey here. Is that a monkey? It's like another species.
No, I think it's Ibadan.
No.
I'm not sure. Can't belong wrong.
Baby, scared me. Ah, babe.
That's another one.
There is a reptile house, but I'm not going inside. They said visitors must not touch the glass inside the building, but no. I know that there is snake inside here, but no, darlings. I'm not going. Now only my mama knows I can't Ibadan. God forbid. Sorry, my sister knows. Guys, the mother wants us to go inside the ape house.
Sir, can we go inside? Good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir. Are we going? Yeah, come here. Yeah, please. Thank you, sir.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm scared though. And it's now dark. Why is it dark? Lord of Jesus.
Am I not strong enough for you?
You are, dear. I say you are, dear. I believe you. I don't believe the system. I knew he was looking at us. He's looking back. Hey, blood of Jesus.
I live in the zoo. Please tell, what's the name of this guy? Portable. I'm a baboon. I live in the zoo.
Please, you don't see
Take a
such
look
on my
at
channel.
Look at the baboon. How ugly it is. Maybe we think it's what.
Yeah, Jesus. Guys, feels like I'm inside an horror movie. This place is smelly. Eh? See the person that says skinny. Oh, sir. Blood of Jesus. You need to wave. Are you okay? What are you? Facts about baboons. I cannot read that. Jesus. Great ape language. Gorilla. Chimpanzee. Yes, I did. Mayana. Guys, someone asked us to pass here so that we can see the hyena. You did what? What's on back pathway? Like the monkey. Ah, I know my shiny. Babe, see this? This is a crocodile. What? See one behind you.
Oh my god, the height is coming.
Jesus. Is that one I like? It's Tizo. Who's that one?
Lion King. Can you zoom into the hand?
Yes, I'm doing that. Guys, this is an hyena. Spotted hyena. What is this one? Yeah, Jesus. I'm so scared.
I'll see this around you.
This is a jackal. Is that it? They're so small.
He's hiding. What is this? I don't know how to tell it.
Guys, as I'm recording, I'm looking back for something to go and jump out.
Wait.
Guys, it would have been so nice if this place was maintained or is being maintained.
Yeah, well,
Because it's so great. Like, I don't know if it's my first time I've come to a zoo. I think I did when I was in primary school. I can't remember. But this is amazing. I said this is amazing, but it's not maintained. And it's sad. Whew, I'm scared. My YouTube content guy. YouTube. So right here. Still far away. Can you see it? I'll show you guys when we get closer. Oh my goodness. It's pretty. Oh, see a camel. You really see camels in movie. Yes. Oh, what's it? Dubai. When do you go to? Why are you not coming closer? Hello, Shekos.
Maybe we should go.
It's like
Zoom into the guy. Can't you zoom?
already zoomed.
This is zoom as you can see.
This is zoom I can zoom. Kilo de Oh, and that's an ostrich, guys. I know move closer, but you can see.
Right.
Okay. So let's go.
So that is horse.
Okay, horse.
Whatever, I'm just joking.
Oh, they're so pretty. So good to see these things. I've seen horse before, but this giraffe is so pretty.
Hey guys.
What do you have to say?
You know the vibes.
Now that you brought me to Ibadan. Zoo. Zoo. I say zoo. Hey, God. Oh, there's a donkey. Oh, sorry, they are donkeys, guys.
Yeah.
Ah, but they're small. Ah, they're small. Now.
Cool.
Beep. Guys, they're going inside. I think they knew we were going to record.
Hello? Wait, good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, bro. Yeah, I'm at UI.
These are donkeys.
Zoological Garden.
Yes, well. Why is this one not talking? I call.
Did you hear me?
Maybe let's go. Guys, there's somebody's hostel.
Yeah.
Wow.
Do you think?
Wow.
Until you see.
I'm sorry, but
Is it good now?
Maintenance is the issue.
Enter their toilets. That's where you know. You know.
What?
This is the. That's what you're seeing from afar. On Yeah, we made it. Yeah, we made it. Oh my god, today was fun. The adrenaline. Yeah, it's fun. The way we this is also when you phone
we run after train. We're supposed to be extra. We'll start going back to the garage to get bus.
Yeah, this is like
Extra bus. Yes.
And then what we're trying to avoid finally getting around that's extra. Wow.
Yeah. Not going to use gel again. I've stopped with the gel on my hands. Oh my goodness, my ring is here. Oh shit. Hey.